Welcome. In front of me is Sony Xperia XA1 Ultra, and I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. So what you will need to do is hold power button till you see power off, and now hold it. And once you see this pop up, wait for the device to reboot. Okay. And as you can see, phone is now in safe mode, as you can see on the bottom here, safe mode. And basically every app that is not native to this phone will be disabled, and only the essential apps will work. Now, if you want to leave this mode, just reboot the device like so, and we'll be back to normal. And now the device is back into normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.